Artificial Intelligence iaitu AI untuk mastering ChatGPT for productivity improvement iaitu penguasaan ChatGPT untuk menambah baikkan produktiviti. Training ini khas untuk memperkenalkan para profesional kepada kuasa transformasi Artificial Intelligence iaitu AI generatif dengan tumpuan khusus kepada ChatGPT dan aplikasinya dalam persekitaran, perniagaan dan perbuatan. Melalui gabungan pengetahuan praktikal dan pengalaman secara langsung, peserta akan mempelajari cara memanfaatkan alat AI bagi meningkatkan produktiviti, mengoptimumkan proses serta mengautomasikan tugasan merintas pelbagai jabatan. Menjelang akhir kursus ini, para peserta akan memiliki kemahiran dan pengetahuan yang diperlukan untuk memanfaatkan kuasa alat AI generatif ini, seperti ChatGPT bagi memperkemas operasi, meningkatkan produktiviti dan kekal selangkah di hadapan dalam dunia perniagaan yang semakin didorong oleh AI. Sama ada anda ingin mengautomasikan aliran kerja, mengoptimumkan komunikasi atau menganalisis data yang kompleks, kursus ini akan membekalkan kemahiran praktikal yang diperlukan untuk berjaya. Kursus ini menawarkan pengenalan menyeluruh kepada dunia AI generatif yang berkuasa. Dengan tumpuan khusus kepada ChatGPT, ia direka untuk membekalkan para profesional dengan pengetahuan dan kemahiran yang diperlukan.
Proposals and then send it back to the person. Without people, without humans to react. But they are still in the explore stage, and that's why it is fun. Okay, so this is how we already started to use. So supply chain, business process automation, research and analysis, industry specific, education and training. This is people who call Mary Michael. Mary Michael is very popular. She is the one who predicts all of the people in the world are going to use smartphone in 2000. You know 2000 masa zaman tak ada already. But he is the first one to say after a few years, all of the people in the world will going to have a smartphone. So at that time, many people didn't trust her. They just say, macam mana boleh? Sekarang tak ada wifi apa tu, how can every people afford a smartphone? But for now, yes, it's true. So to try to predict, is analyze that. They say all the AI for now will become a resources for all the people for them to use it for free. For now, it's not free yet. ChatGPT is free by certification, but someday all the places in the world they are going to use AI. So that's why we believe AI is a trend. It's not bubble lah. Because there's many bubbles. Sometimes you also do not know how to trust. But AI is definitely the trend of today.
Sure.
Okay, so AI adoptions for 2023, ChatGPT already reached 100 million users. It is 2 months. 2024, top 6 US top 6 include Apple's, Microsoft, Google's. They invest over 200 million, I think, in AI. And also ChatGPT is 800 million weekly users. 800 million, you see. So,
Of the world.
So understand the different type of generative AI and how they work. So this is very specific. So I don't think you need to know. Let's say some is very interesting. You can try to explore. Because so you are unsure, you know what is the difference between AI and IT. We are using generative AI, this one. So there is also others AI. But this is a very technical part. which we are not going to go through one by one. Okay, but there is a difference of AI. Not every AI using ChatGPT. Not every AI belongs to generative AI. So that's why you see some of the AI is slightly different. We also have transform-based model. Transform-based model, we are going to do that with notebook LM. Later we're going to do that. Diffusion models, some of the models even I also don't know. I was out of 6, I only know 3 or 4 like that. Diffusion model, multi-models. So, like GPT-4, Gemini, they're using this one. For image generation, they're using diffusion model. Diffusion model means like how can they read pictures. If you remember, last year we cannot use ChatGPT for image creation. We cannot upload. Even you upload pictures, you also cannot understand. So this is because ChatGPT is generative AI. So after that, OpenAI, so they started to use diffusion model. So that's why they can only understand the image. It started to create image. So that's why you'll see more and more function below ChatGPT. Last year we did not have yet, but this year it started to have. So large language model. Okay, understand the different version of ChatGPT. Okay, how many versions of ChatGPT you know? How many versions of ChatGPT you know? Actually, ChatGPT, they already upgrade many versions already. So, for different models, the needs is different. Because some models is good for calculation, good for programming. Some model is good for language, they're good for writing. Some model is good for image. So you see, all 3 ChatGPT, all 3 is for user advanced. All 4 mini is faster than advanced. Mini high is get good at coding, regions, resonance. So when you go for more model, you have GPT 4.5, GPT 4.1, GPT 4.1 mini. So great for grid coding. So usually we do not choose lah. Usually for our user use, we just use the most general one. The thing is GPT 4.0 is great for most tasks. Let's say unless you are an engineer, then you will need to change the model. But let's say you are okay with that, then you can just proceed. Yeah, this is the one. ChatGPT model evolution timeline. So this is the first in 2023, and we started upgrade with GPT-4, GPT-4, O1, and then Y1, we got the X1, GPT 4.5, GPT 4.1. So this actually GPT upgrade a lot, but just many people didn't pay attention. So that's why ChatGPT become better. How is this image? This may look good. This is my map. So good, try to guess how many time I spent on this image to create this image.
1 minute.
1 minute. Yes, 5 minutes. So we're going to use it also. This is also one of the AI. It's not ChatGPT, but it's one of the AI. They can do this kind of thing. It looks so nice, I have to say. One of the most happy when I keep training is preparing slides. Because I cannot just see the words, right? You need to see pictures, you need to see mind maps. Then I spend a lot of time. I need to adjust the circles, everything. So headache. After that, I follow one AI. They do it. It's so nice. So we are going to learn also